What up, everybody? Did you want to make 10 grand mining a cryptocurrency that came out 2 months ago? If you didn't, that's all your fault, because you should have followed my video that I posted a while ago, which would have told you about Powblocks. It's up 700%. That is amazing. You could have banked out. Like kaspa in the early days, you could have had some money. Like Dynex in the early days, you could have had some money. But you don't, because you didn't follow my channel. So like and subscribe, comment down below, kind of stuff you guys want to see on the channel. Let's get into it after my intro thingy, which should play now. Okay. Cool. We're back after that lovely intro. Cool. So today we're going to be talking about Powblocks or Powblocks. This is a relatively new, came out like 2 months ago. GPU mineable proof of work coin. I'm not even going to waste your time. Let's go over here to the chart. I started mining it around 6 cents. We're currently with a high of 96 cents. I mined this coin for about a day or two, nothing too extravagant. I mined a total of 173.9 XPB, which I'm personally kind of hurt because I should have mined this coin a lot longer and I would have had so much more. I did mine a little bit on another pool, but we will get into that later. Also kind of curious, will this coin work on my iPolos? Because I have an iPolo Mini SE and an iPolo Mini V1. I have the gold one 300 mega hash and the black one 130 mega hash. Cool. So yeah, dude, this coin like skyrocketed, did amazing, lovely. I love to see stuff like this in the GPU mineable world, because as you know, GPU mining has been kind of a shark shit. It wasn't good. Not good, whatever. Yeah, it's been really dead, really boring in the GPU mining market. This coin right here single-handedly has brought some excitement to the world, and I like that because my GPUs are happy, very happy. Currently, we're sitting at around 83 cents with a 24-hour range of a high of 97 and a low of 47. So this coin is still pretty volatile. There's a maximum supply of 40,000, circulating supply of 40 million. Let me get that. Million. We're gonna go with 40 million. That seems like the right number. 40 million with around 4 million, almost 5 million in circulation. Yeah, this coin's been pumping really nicely over the last 2 months. We found some really nice resistance around that. That mid-teens to 20. Over the last couple of days, we've been just throwing hands around that 50 cent marker. I actually just mined this coin, threw it off to the side, and forgot about it until I went and looked at hashrate.no, which we should go over and look at really quick. We'll go over to hashrate.no, see what GPUs are profitable. If it's too late to hop on the bandwagon, or if the bandwagon is nice and cozy and everyone can get up on it. Yeah, as you guys can see across the board, NVIDIA CMP 170HX is 37 cents profit today, which is really nice, because if you know GPU mining, you're making 4 cents a profit, and that's a really good thing to mine. We'll go down all the way to the bottom. So yeah, on a lot of GPUs, you're still losing a little bit of money, but you're making some money. So, let's see, what's the least profitable GPU we can get right now? Okay, if you want to break even a 5500 XT, and yeah, that's really nice. A 3060 is also going to make you break even. Yeah. So, you can mine this coin and definitely make some profits. More than half of the GPUs listed are profitable. If you want to get some idea of overclocks, go ahead and check out my last video over on my channel. This one I posted over a month ago, probably closer to 2 months now. You could have watched that video, made some money, been sitting cozy, but you're not, because you don't follow my channel. So follow the channel. Yeah, I don't really want to waste your time. If you guys don't know, Powblocks. So comment down below, is it called Powblocks or Powblocks? Because I like Powblocks because it literally is proof of work, and that's what we do. Powblocks is an exclusive decentralized layer 1 proof of work blockchain meticulously designed to cater to the mining community. What sets POW blocks apart from all other ETH hash based cryptocurrencies is its unique emissions model characterized by a built-in system of reducing the block rewards by 5% every month. Additionally, Powblocks offers comprehensive support for sorry about that. I forgot to grab a drink and I just got off work and I gotta go back to work. So yeah. Support for smart contract compatibility with EVM, so like any other EVM compatible chain. Nothing new. Alright, my throat hurts. I'm over recording this 5 minutes in. Hopefully you guys watch it. Also, we're going to be doing a giveaway if you guys stayed to the end. I did a video on FreeCash a while ago. It's on my channel. Check it out, like it, subscribe, and then go ahead and comment down below. We're going to do a $5-10 giveaway because I think that app's really cool and I think more people should know about it. I have a link down below in the description for this app. Essentially, you can play video games, download apps, they'll pay you out real cash. I have another video coming out soon, probably Monday or Tuesday, telling how I essentially got a free GPU just from playing games. No sweat off my back, but yeah, please like and subscribe, comment down below, whatever you want to comment. Have a nice day. Peace out.